Manufacturing is not a background industry. It is the infrastructure of modern life. The people running these operations carry responsibility most will never fully understand. And right now, those people are being tasked to make one of the most consequential technology decisions of their careers. We built this forum because the noise around AI and manufacturing has become deafening, and the signal is hard to find. This is the Executive Roundtable. David Rogers, industry author and technology strategist. Pugal Janakiraman, industry principal for manufacturing at Snowflake. Leaders from the plant floor and the boardroom gathered in one place to work through 4 real cases of AI and manufacturing. 60 companies, 18 countries, 1,500 factories, nearly $400 billion in decision-making power. We did not gather to celebrate. We gathered to be honest. Factory operator, 14 years on the same line. Every sound, every vibration, every warning signal memorized. And then he retires. That knowledge is gone. 68% of manufacturers are stuck in the same place. Only 7% have deployed AI at scale. 89% of failures are not technical. They are organizational. The companies that move are the ones that stop preparing and start proving. This recording is for the operators, the plant directors, and the VPs who are done with the noise and ready for a real plan. Sign up to watch it.